three functions that the nervous system does is the sensory function, interpretive function, and the motor function.
The central nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and retina of the eyes.
There are approximately 100 billion neurons in the human brain and 13.5 million neurons in the human spinal cord.
The nervous system is a complex structure of nerves and neurons that transmit signals around the body to coordinate actions. It is an effect of our body's electrical wiring.
Physiatrists help rehabilitate patients with nerve system damage. Motor neurons transmit neutral signals to activate muscles or glands. Fun fact, there are more nervous cells in the human brain than there are stars in the Milky Way.
The central nervous system, consisting of the brain and spinal cord, these structures are protected by bone and cushioned from injury by the CSF, a system which connects the central nervous system to the rest of the body. Sensory nerves gather information from inside the body and the outside environment. The nerves then carry the information to the central nervous system. Sensory information brought to the CNS is processed and interpreted. Motor nerves convey information from the CNS to the molecules and the glands of the body.
Fun fact, the left side of the human brain controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain controls the left side of the body. Your endocrine system works closely with your brain and central nervous system to control the creation of specific hormones and enzymes. Your digestive and excretory systems work with the nervous system in both conscious and unconscious ways. Your nervous system works with your endocrine system, causing you to shiver to maintain homeostasis through negative feedback. Negative feedback is when there is any change in the body's homeostasis that causes it to have an adverse reaction such as sweating or shivering. An example of a positive feedback would be the nervous system working with the digestive system to alert when you are full after eating. Positive feedback is anything with positively change or alert the bodies to react. Fun fact, a newborn baby loses about half their nervous cells before they are born. The brain and nervous system problems are common. These neurological disorders include multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and stroke, and can affect memory and ability to perform daily activities. Research that uses stem cells to treat nervous system disorders remains an area of great promise and challenge to demonstrate the cell replacement therapy that can restore lost function. In the past, the doctors used to give group therapy to the diseased, and now they give medicine. The medicine they give for epilepsy is Dilantin. They give Synthroid for hypothyroidism. Neurology, neurological surgery, rehabilitation for neurological disorders are the treatments. Some stroke symptoms are persistent or sudden onset of a headache that changes or is different, loss of feeling or tingling, weakness or loss of muscle strength, sudden loss of sight or double vision, memory loss, impaired mental ability, lack of coordination. Symptoms of Alzheimer's is change in behavior and memory loss from past and present. In the past, epilepsy was treated by giving shock therapy. A example of positive feedback is A, fullness, B, shivering, C, sweating, D, laughing. What medical condition in the past used shock therapy as a treatment? A, Alzheimer's, B, Parkinson's, C, epilepsy, D, stroke. C, epilepsy. How many neutrons does your spinal cord have? A, 100 billion, B, 7 million, C, 300 billion, D, 13.5 million. D, 13.5 million. Major organ of the nervous system is A, the brain, B, the back, C, the knee, D, the toes. A, the brain. What are the three functions of the nervous system? A, sensory, motor, conjunctive. B, motor, auditory, sensory. C, sensory, interpretive, motor. D, interpretive, motor, auditory. E, sensory, interpretive, motor.